Hi guys, I received the file that one student write two things. First one is to compare the New Keynesian and the RBC real business cycle. So I think this you can come to week 6 lecture. This is week 6 lecture notes, and the first paragraph is telling you what's the difference between the RBC and New Keynesian economic model. So I think if you can go over the first paragraph, you can understand it very well. The RBC model reviews the periodical expansions and recessions. It's like during some period it would have some expansions and then expansions, recessions. And as neutral, indeed efficient response of the economy to be ups and down of the state of technology of the economics. So this is mainly what the recession RBC did. And New Keynesian economics adopts a point of view that are fundamental market failure in the aggregate economic with render within cycle electrician inefficient. So I think if in your exam you have this kind of question, you can understand this and then maybe write briefly. Okay, and then other thing is how to find the steady state. So actually this is an important question. So now I just need to summarize it for you. For this kind of question, usually you will get this form. The production function is A times KT alpha LT 1 minus alpha. Alpha usually belongs to 0 to 1. Sometimes you can say alpha is 1/3, alpha is 1/2, alpha is something like this. And after getting the production function, then always the first step is to divide LT for both hand side. But now LT here, you just rewrite LT equals to LT power alpha times LT power 1 alpha, 1 minus alpha. So now here you can see this one for the left hand side is small yt, right? And for the right hand side, this is small kt power alpha. And this one is just 1, so we just leave it. We just delete it. Okay, so now this is the production function you have. And the next one is the capital accumulation equation. So to understand it, it's very good because you don't need to memorize it. So next, YKT plus 1 represents the next period's KT. Next period's capital per capita, right? And so it comes from two ways. The first one is a new investment, and the second one is the remaining part of KT. Here, delta is the depreciation rate. So this is the capital accumulation equation. And now you may wondering what is IT. So here, there's the assumption that we have a fixed proportion of YT to be IT. So S now is the saving rate. And another way is that we have YT and it comes to IT and the consumption. So we only have these four equations, then we can find a steady state. Remember that the definition of the steady state is KT plus 1 equals to KT equals to K star. K star is just a value, right? So as we can see, all these equations and only this one involves kt plus 1 and kt. So now we care about we use equation 2 mainly, okay? So for equation 2, we just replace kt plus 1 kt to k star, okay? kt plus 1 and it use equation 3. To represent S times YT, and YT is A times K star alpha, right? So for this equation, you will have what is the steady state of K, because now K is the only unknown vector, okay? An unknown value. And after getting K star, I think you can get Y. After getting Y, you can get what is I, what is C. So, and that's it.